My name is Sami Chong and I am assistant professor of the practice in the Fine Arts Department, and I'm also the faculty advisor of the BC Art Club. My goal is to start in a very kind of relaxed setup, so I would like the students to kind of sit in small groups and have kind of a very informal conversation. The surprise will be that pretty much the medium that they will use is going to be what they're drinking. And I asked them to pretty much paint with coffee. In those small groups, I would like to discuss what is the meaning of the spiritual, what is faith for them.